European Laboratory Glassware Washer. Used for cleaning and drying laboratory glassware. Modular cleaning basket. Spring clip adjustable height. Stainless steel supports can fix containers. Plastic supports can protect the bottle mouth. The plug can protect the interior of the container from scratches. 2 milliliters injection vial module. 50 pieces can be placed at a time. After washing, take it off and flip it over. Cleaning with pipette tip facing upwards. After the adjustment clip is moved up, the headspace bottle can be cleaned. And there are also Petri dish baskets, beaker cleaning basket, mixed cleaning basket. Model LW230 can accommodate 2 layers of baskets. Model LW320 can accommodate 3 layers of baskets. Upper and lower double spray arms. The heatsink, SD card, and printer interface are located on the back. There is a detachable filter screen at the bottom.